Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 8 of saving daily with my minis in April. And I am happy. Ooh, I have a $10 bill today. So we're going to bring $10 like we're going to do every day in the month of April. And we are trying to go through our stash of savings not of our savings, but of our saving of all of our minis. My stash is just getting a little bit bigger, but I'm getting there. So I was going to take money out. We're going to put our $10 in the bank. We are going to go to where the paperclip is, which is number 3. And we are going to roll our D3 die, and it's going to tell me how many coins to put down. And then we will just see what if any, we can finish today. And I have my pink D3. And we are going to put 2 down for number 3. 2 down for number 4. 1 for number 5. Can you still see that? 1, 2, 3 for number 6. Oops, too far. 1 for 1. 1 for 2. 1, 2, 3 for 3. That makes me happy. 2 for 4. That was a weird bounce. 1 for 5. 1 for 6. We are definitely going to go around again. 1 for 1. 1 for 2. Oh my goodness. 3 for 3. That's all that matters. I still have 2 left. And they're both going to go to number 4. And then we will start on number 5 tomorrow. I'm taking my allergy meds, but you would never know by my sneezing. All right, so let's go to number 1. Let's see, 1 got 50 cents. And number 1 is, drum roll please, this adorable one from Candy at Stuff and Budget. So we can do 4 more circles, and I will be right back. All right, so that adorable one, little Easter one, is adorable. How many times can I say adorable? From Candy at Stuff and Budget. Number 2 got 75 cents. This one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. We can do 3 more circles. And this one will save us $5. So no matter what it says on the savings challenge, I am doing 25 cents. Oh my goodness, 3 got a bunch. Okay, 3 got $1. Oh my goodness, 3 got $2. Oh my gosh, 3 got $3.50. I think that's the most I've ever gotten. Oh my gosh, $3.50 for Captain Snugglebeard. We finished Captain Snugglebeard. We needed 450, so we needed 150. So 150. So we have $2 left. Like, wow. All right, so let's cross these off. 25, 50, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for $1. So $1.50 to finish this one. This saved us $6, and we still have $2 that we can put into a new one. So let's see what we have in the back here. Oh, we have this new one I got from Judy at Save with Judy. And this is $2. So I'm just going to color in the center to save a little time. So we have 50 and $1. Okay, so we have $2. Oh, that's so simple and precious. I love it so much. Okay, so this one will save us $6. All right, number 4. Number 4 got $2. This one is from Kimmy over at Kimmy's Corner. So of course I have to do the red and green. So that is for $1 and $1. So we still have 50 cents left. Okay, so let's do, so we don't do these last two. Adorable. All right, that one will save us $5. That was a really good one. I think that's definitely the most. All right, so then number 5 got $1.50. Oh, that's exciting. All right, so let's do a couple different colors. So we 25, 50, 75, $1. And then 25 and 50. Perfect. All right, number 6. Number 6 got $1.25. And we just needed the 25. So we finished another one. This one's from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Cross off the last one. That saved $3. So I already put that over there. So let's grab a new one. What's up here? A little Halloween one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will save $2. So we're halfway done. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So we got $9 today. So let's double check that. So that's 3 and 6. Yeah, so $9. So we have a 5. No, we have the 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take the 10 and grab $1. Come back here. Let's take $1 and we'll put the 10 back there for the $9. And then we will take all of these and put these back here. Let's put our prop coins back after we give a little bit of a shuffle. That was exciting. That was a good finish for day 9 or day 8. I'm like, what day are we on? Awesome. And I am done for today. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And tomorrow will be day 9, I believe. And until next time, take care. Bye.